In this lab, we will monitor the temperature-dependent equilibrium position of a reaction with UV vis spectroscopy. The instrument used is seen here. This is a double beam UV vis, so there are holders for both a reference and a sample cuvette. The first step is to make a reaction mixture. For this trial, we will pipette equal amounts of xylenol orange and aluminum nitrate into a small beaker. Move to the UV vis and check the method menu to ensure that the instrument has been set up properly. Take your pair of cuvettes and fill them both with the reference solution, in this case DI water. The cuvettes have a clear side and a textured side. When placing the cuvettes in the instrument, the clear sides must be facing the beam, which comes from the left when facing the instrument. Close the instrument and collect the background, waiting for the status bar to turn from yellow to green. With your room temperature reaction mixture in hand, prepare to collect your first spectra. Fill one cuvette with DI water and one with your solution. You should always make sure to clean the sides of the cuvette before placing them in the instrument. The sample cuvette is always placed in the front holder and the reference in the back. Close the instrument and hit Measure on the computer. You will be able to see the spectra appear on the screen as it is collected. Now it is time to heat our solution. Light the Bunsen burner and place it under the water bath. Pour your solution into the test tube and place the test tube inside the water bath. With the thermometer, stir the solution while monitoring the temperature until it reaches about 95 degrees Celsius. Notice how the color changes as the solution heats. Turn off the Bunsen burner and remove the test tube from the water bath. Using a paper towel, carefully pour as much of the hot water as you can into the styrofoam cups and place the cover on top. Carefully slide the test tube through the hole in the cover so that it rests inside the cup but does not spill. This will help maintain the solution's temperature. Back at the UV vis, collect a spectra of the hot solution. Notice that there is now a different peak than with the room temperature solution. Record lambda max and set the instrument to this wavelength. You will now be able to directly record the absorbance at lambda max from the top right corner of the spectra window. Record the absorbance at lambda max at decreasing temperatures until you have reached about 60 degrees Celsius.